Good day, viewers. You are welcome. Why is this equation so simple to confuse some students? We have f of x plus 2, and at the other side, there is a quadratic giving the power of 2. This is a functional equations, but this is not common in most of the secondary school students or some higher levels. And how can we solve this step by step? How can we make f of x plus 2 becomes f of x? So here is the ask question. If you have any idea of solving this, you can drop it in the comment box. And let's provide step-by-step solution and two methods of solving it. If this is the solution, and consider this as method 1. One of the simple methods we can use to solve this is substitution method. We substitute for this domain of which is x plus 2, and note that x here is a member of real number, and anything we are substituting it with will also be a member of real number. If I choose m to be x plus 2, then we are going to have to make x the subject of the formula, and we have m minus 2 equals x, or we have it as x equals m minus 2. On getting this, looking at the other side, we have x squared plus 3x plus 21. We need to know x squared. So to know x squared, it means we are going to square m minus 2. So which this gives us m minus 2 multiplied by m minus 2. And again, let's multiply this out. We have m squared minus 2m minus 2m plus 4. So this is a result of x squared, and adding minus 2m, we have this as m squared minus 4m plus 4. So makes sense. And again, we are going to find 3x. For 3x, this will be equals 3 bracket m minus 2, and this gives us 3m minus 6. So y21 is just a constant value there, and by bringing all this together, so we are going to have for x squared plus 3x plus 21, this gives us m squared minus 4m plus 4, then plus 3m minus 6 plus 21. So let's balance this up. We have m squared minus 4m plus 3m. This gives us minus m. Then 4 minus 6 plus 21 gives us 19. So this is for x squared plus 3x plus 21. Let's take back the substitution. So for f of m will be equals m squared minus m plus 19. And forget not that m and n and x are both members of real number. Then we have f of x equals x squared minus x plus 19. Most of the secondary school teachers don't teach this kind of problem. And this is how I got the answer. Let's see the second method to solve this. For method 2, this is kind of a manipulation method. We are going to manipulate this. If you don't want to apply the substitution method, at least different method would work. We are given f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus 3x plus 21. I want to manipulate the whole of this to have x plus 2. but we cannot factorize this directly. Let's try to simplify this. So we can write this as x squared plus 3x plus 21 here. Let's say I have it as 2 plus 19. So this gives us 21. So easily for us, we can factorize this. For f of x plus 2 equals x squared plus, I will call this 2x plus x plus 2, then in bracket plus 19. So here we have f of x plus 2 equals, the whole of this can be x plus 2, then multiply by x plus 1, if I'm correct. Yeah. So this is x squared, this is 2x, and this is x, this is 2. So we have the whole of this here, then plus 19, and again from here we have x plus 2, this is x plus 2, but this is not x plus 2. We have to make this one manipulative for us to have x plus 2, then we can now replace it. So to do that, we have this as x plus 2 bracket, if I call this x plus 2 minus 1, okay, so this is x plus 2 minus 1, so which is still x plus 1, then plus 19. So this is now telling us that anywhere I see x plus, so let me put this in brackets to avoid confusion. So anywhere I see x plus 2, I'm going to replace it with something x. Let's say I change this one to, for x plus 2, let me change it to k equals, so this also become k bracket k minus 1, then plus 19 there. And for f of k equals k times k, that is k squared, minus k times 1, that is k, then we have plus 19. So this looks as what we got. So the only differences is we have f of x there and we have f of k there, and that's how function work. So any value can come in as far as we are still on the same page, but let's try to make it x so that we can follow the same format. So we then have f of x equals x squared minus x plus 19. So this is how to solve this problem step by step. I hope this is useful and this is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.